1080p 60 FPS.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Salsa finger?
You know what this is, don't you?
Read between the lines.
No. You know what this is, don't you, Rudy?
Mm-hmm.
A whole handful of them.
Alright, I'm coming down there.
Heard that before, ain't you, huh?
Alright, we ready?
Almost there.
Just loosen them, right?
Oh, this is a great angle. Go ahead, man.
We're just loosening the 2 bolts, 1 on each side, right?
One on each side.
Alright, here we go.
I got it.
Alright, there's 1.
Nice.
Ruda, your turn. You're on that side. Line for you.
It's already recording. That's what it's recording audio for. No, oh yeah, it pulls it out. There we go. So, what's this thing?
Hey, Dad. I think it looks like an O-ring. We found some O-ring.
What's it come out of?
It just fell out of thin air.
Up underneath it?
Yeah.
Okay, they were probably inside there where the bolts go.
Ah, okay.
Look, see them. Pick them up.
I see one that would match it, so I think it would go on that side. Check and see, Ruda. I can't see it from over here, but
Don't make it big, boys.
does it look like they would? Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
It looks like...
it fell out of here for sure.
Alright, so we need to keep track of that. This one didn't fall out. It's still over here.
I'll just leave it right by it so we know where it goes. Because if we keep holding on to it, it might fall somewhere else. This is great. Whoa. Press this button on the front. Yeah, it's moving.
I'm not snagging nothing there.
It doesn't look like it.
That one looks from my angle. Which button was it? This one?
Yeah, press that button, and then it'll turn the screen back on. Because it's still recording as long as you see the red.
Oh!
Whoa.
Make sure no fingers or nothing in the way. I'm moving this dog, but I ain't moving the clutch.
Wow.
That's a whole ass engine.
Wow. What is... Oh, that's one of the mounts. I felt. Careful, Zach. Watch your head, man. Yeah, go with that wire.
There's still something stuck in my eye.
We should get out of here.
Yeah. No point in us being here.
Very. Pass it real quick. I want to get it out of this side. It's definitely some dust.
I'm going to get the hood off and make y'all help me, but I don't think I need it right now.
Wow.
Boys, y'all done something that very few people in the world have ever done.
And they probably
That's
won't
full of
go up.
rope.
Yeah.
It's not a certified mechanic, and not many mechanics can do that. They've got something they call heavy metal. That's what this is.
Wow.
You don't use that.
So that pretty much sums up what we did on the first day of restoring this 1958 Chevy truck. This is a beautiful sunset to finish things off, and you'll see in a second here on the bottom right the new engine we're going to put in, which is still a V8, but it just has more displacement to it and obviously a lot cleaner. Look at that air filter. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.